Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm making cake and it is my first week of vacation. So my mama is teaching me how to bake a cake. So today I'm making chocolate cake. First I cracked 2 eggs, and if you are making with a beater, make sure it is on the speed too. Yes, you have to make sure it is continuously till it gets fluffy. You can see now it is getting fluffier. Look. Oh. Now we are adding half cup of melted butter. Now you can look the color of the egg, the batter, because we added melted butter in it. Make sure when you are baking something, you should wear a chef cap so your hair cannot see and could go in the food. So, do you know what? I made this chef cap by the help of me and my mother, and we made this by recycled paper. We used recycled paper to make this. Open. Now we have recently added half cup of sugar in it. Now we're adding 1 cup of flour, but we will sift it. Wait. Let's mix. Now we're adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half cup of edible soda. We had added 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon. It was too thick, so I added half cup of hot milk. See the batter. Sprinkle the flour and Look, this is so small. Now my mother had put the cake on the stove. Cake is ready. Let me tell you how to take the cake, if it's good or not. See, the knife came clear. That means the cake is good. Cake is done. गाइस, अब आप इसका टेक्सचर देखो, बहुत सॉफ्ट है, फ्लफी है। मैं आपको सुबह में बताया था कि अगर इसका बैटर कंटिन्यूसली है, इसका मतलब बैटर अच्छा बना है। अगर इसका बैटर फ्लो कर रहा है कंटिन्यूसली, तो मतलब कि उसका वो केक का स्पंज अच्छा बनेगा। अब ये देखें, आप भी इसको ट्राई करना।